Welcome guys in our Python tutorial. In this session, we are going to show you how to read multiple Excel sheets uh, from an Excel file, and then we are going to store this Excel sheets data into multiple tables inside the SQLite database. You can choose any other database like SQL Server, your MongoDB, your MySQL, any one of them. So what can we do uh, to read this file into Python? So first of all, just explore this file. I'm going to open my passengers file, that is an Excel file, and here you can see uh, there are four tabs like passenger 1, passenger 2, passenger 3, and passenger 4. So we have to read this file with the help of Python, then store this data inside the SQLite database. So let's go to our Python environment. I'm going to close this file. Okay. Now I am in my Python environment, so I have a blank sheet. So I'm using Jupyter Notebook. First of all, I have to declare the actual file path. So first of all, I'm going to import some libraries, Python libraries like Pandas. So as you know, Pandas is a Python package that provides fast, flexible, and expressive data structures designed to make working with structured like tabular, multidimensional, potentially heterogeneous, and time series data, both easy and intuitive. It aims to be the fundamental high-level building block for doing practical real-world data analysis in Python. Okay, now I am using another library, that is my import SQLite 3. Okay, uh, we can define it that it can be integrated with Python using SQLite 3 module, and it provides an SQL interface compliance with the DBA API 2.0 specification, and you don't need to install this module separately because it is tagged by default along with Python version 2.5.x onward. Okay, so that is good news actually. So I'm going to run this. Now what I need to do, I need to define my uh, file path. So I'm going to declare a variable file path, then going to assign the value. So I'm going to pick my file. So go to the property, then this is the actual file path. Okay, and then uh, I'm going to, yeah, this one, this is the file name. Okay, dot xlsx, this is the file extension. So I'm going to print this file path. Okay, and execute it. Now you can see, now I want to read my Excel file. So first of all, I am going to declare a variable like xls, then pd dot. Then there are two things I need to read Excel, so I am going to use Excel file. Then pass the variable name file path. Okay, Control V. Now, if I am going to print this, print xls dot sheets names, then let's see what will it return to us. Okay, now you can see these are the sheets inside the file. So I need to read this file one by one and then store into SQLite DB. So I am going to declare a variable like for sheet name, sheet name in. Now I am going to use the, okay, now you can see I'm going to print the message, print sheet name. Then let's see what will it return to me. Now we have the files. Now I am going to declare a variable like SQLite table. Table is a variable, and then I need to create a separate table for each file. So I'm going to declare a variable like tbl. Then I am going to concat this with sheet name. Okay. Then I'm going to print my table, then plus SQLite table. Okay, then going to run this. Now you can see it is saying that it is invalid, so I'm going to write +1, then run it. Now you can see. Okay. So guys, we have the table. Now I have to create a data frame, df equal to pd dot read excel. Okay, so it requires three variable like the file which should be going to be read. So I have a path like file path, so I'm going to use file path, then sheet name equal to, we have created a variable sheet name as well. Then I'm going to use index call. I'm going to say none. Okay, now I have to print my df dot head. So here I'm going to print only my 5 rows. Then I'm going to run my command again. Now you can see it is showing all the data from each sheet. Now we have make a connection to my Excel file to Python, and with the help of pandas I am able to read these sheets as well. Now I have to create the connection to my SQLite DB. So I am going to make a connection con equal to SQLite 3 dot connect. Okay. Now I'm passing the path of my SQL file. So I'm going to create a new database for it is like this. Yep, here, and going to create a new database like passenger db underscore slash db. Okay, now I have to store this data into my SQL DB. So I'm going to store this data into my SQLite passenger DB. Okay, so we have created a connection to our SQLite DB. Now I have to push my each data frame to SQLite DB in a defined data table. So what I am going to do, I am going to use df dot to SQL. Okay, then what is the name of my table? That is in my SQL table variable. Then I am going to pass my connection, and there is a condition if exist. Then I am going to say append, and another thing is index equal to false. Okay, index equal to false. Okay, then after making every connection for each step, I am going to close this conn dot close. Okay, now I am going to execute my code, then see what will happen. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we did not get any error. That means our data has been stored in our SQLite DB. So guys, I am going to show you this data into SQLite DB. Okay, now I am going to open my SQLite. Okay, so I am going to open my SQLite DB and open database. Like we have created passenger DB, so I am going to open this. Okay, now you can see these are the tables inside the passenger DB. Okay, now you have seen that it is very easy to write a Python code to read multiple sheets from an Excel file, and then with the help of pandas we can bring this data inside the Python environment, and with the help of SQLite 3 module we can push this data inside any SQLite database. So only two modules are important here, like my panda and SQLite 3. So guys, uh, please subscribe my channel, like and comments, and thank you for watching us.